We're gonna go to Scotts Run Park and see if what it's like with the snow. We just walked from here to here. See a lot of dogs over there. Look. Oh, look at the dog. Dogs. Hi.
Hi.
I hope they're friendly. Hello.
That one's Macy. Enjoy.
So we're right here. We're almost there. Okay. Okay, this is what makes this place really interesting. I could hardly read this. Berlin defenders. On July 16, 1970, 2 days after county residents voted to raise their own bulldozers began uprooting trees to replace this forest with 300. The development plan failed because of a fight waged by hundreds of local residents. It provided a life-changing event for many involved and a case study in citizen action. The landowner, Edward Berling, died in 1967. His heirs tried selling the 336-acre Berling tract property for use as a park. That failing, a developer bought it. Nearby homeowners learned of the housing development plans, and a 16-month battle outcry at public meetings, petition drives, a referendum vote, an injunction, media coverage, protest songs, and financial pledges finally overcame political. The will of local citizens prevailed. Berling Tract became Scotts Run Nature Preserve because people like you cared. This is the reason why Scotts Run is one of my favorite trails. It just has a great story on how a community united to build a park for the future generation. Also, it is my first trail experience, so it must be okay for absolute beginners. Main paths are well kept and drained with the gravels and rocks. No muds or puddles even after rain. Some reviewers complain about the sewer smells right at the main entrance of the park, but they already spent millions to do away with that. I bring my friends and family to show off this place whenever I get the chance. Oops, enough of a flashback. Let's get back to the Winter Wonderland. You gonna use the bridge or the ice?
Use the bridge.
The waterfall froze over. This is the first time I've seen it like that. That's just awesome. Oh my goodness.